What's up, y'all? We headed back to Florida. We're in Texas. Headed back to Florida. So far I got two partials. Playing pretty good actually. My partials really play like full loads. Should have room to pick up one more. I'm searching for one more. After I get this one, well, not look too hard, but as long as I get it. All right, second stop from Plano, Texas to Florida. This is going to Jacksonville. That's going to Pensacola from Dallas. Partial I beat. All right. Shoot, I can fit two more. I can fit two more pallets. I'm looking for two more pallets. Hey. People, what it is. You know who it is, your boy Lando. Okay, we got two stops right now. All headed towards Florida. One going to Jacksonville, one going to Pensacola. We still have space for one more. I'm trying to fill this truck up all the way. Partial. So I just put the address in the GPS. GPS say it takes like 9 hours to get there. So I'll be in Pensacola tonight. I'll drop it off in the morning. Bomb, head over to Jacksonville, drop that off. On to my, yeah, like that. So yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a second. We about to hit the road. I need to gas up too. I should have been gassed up, but I didn't. Go ahead and gas up. We'll hit the road. Talk to y'all in a sec. Morning, top of the morning. What's up, y'all? Look at my eye. Y'all see my eye? What's going on with that eye right there? It ain't pink eye though. I don't know. It ain't itching. But I'm about to go drop this load off. I'm up here in Pensacola. Go drop the load off. My next load drop off is in. I need alignment. Is in Jacksonville, Florida. See if I can find something from up here in Pensacola to Jacksonville. Why not? What'd you say? Yeah. But I'm tap back in with y'all in a second. You know what I mean? Delivering to apartment complex. I say by the container, so I guess all the stuff going right here. Gonna offload it, but yeah. Don't see nobody. Gotta walk around and see. Let's see what's what. Smoking that herbs. Smell it. People, what's up? I didn't even record my me offloading that stuff. But we had a situation with the broker and the customer. So the customer was under the impression that I was offloading, and I was definitely under the impression I'm not offloading. So pretty much I told him I have to check with the broker and see, because they didn't. This wasn't in on my BOL. Pretty much, they gotta pay for it. Pretty much what I was telling them, I'm not doing it for free. But you know, so I was reaching out to the broker. The broker was acting stupid. Like once it says lift gate, the pallet jack, that automatically mean you offload. No. I'm not new to it. True to it. You know what I mean? So I said, so pretty much I was negotiating for her to pay me for offloading. I wasn't gonna upload it. But actually, I had already started doing it. But I wasn't gonna let the broker know that. The customer was telling me that they paid for that. Okay. So we did going back and forth. The broker trying to play stupid until eventually they said send an email of an offer. Sent an offer of $175. You know, she gave me $100. I wasn't tripping. By the time you gave me $100, the loader had already been offloaded. So I offloaded it. That's what it was. So that's really why I never got to record it and let you guys know. But now I'm on my way to Jacksonville. I thought I was gonna be able to drop it off today, but I look on the paperwork, it says 4 p.m. at the latest, and my GPS have more reach at 5 p.m. So this is probably gonna deliver tomorrow, but I'm definitely gonna try. Y'all know my motto: you get early, you're on time. You're on time, you late. So I'm definitely gonna try to drop it off today. For sure. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna check back here with y'all. No, just turn some corners right now. Got like 4 more hours left. Alright. Hey, got pulled over. Yeah. By that DOT inspection, Yes, people. Yes, people. I know y'all just saw that. I just got a DOT inspection. It was a level 3 though. Pretty much they make sure all my paperwork, my license, everything good. Level 3 is like the easiest one. If your paperwork, if your registration, all that good, you good, you pass. So it was a simple one, clean one. He said I ain't do nothing wrong. He just want to pull me over. But yeah, man, he messed my vibe up, man. I definitely had a vibe. I had my good old reggae going, you know, some ghosts singing dope. If you're yadi, you know who them ghosts. Well, you gotta be a certain age group too. Singing dope, you know, I have a good vibe. Go on. But I passed the inspection, basically. You know, make sure you keep your stuff together, guys. When you come out here, make sure your stuff is together. Have your paperwork together. Check that. I check my stuff on a regular. I would say, well, you kind of have an idea when certain things gonna expire. Like right now it's October. Well, I just gave you a stamp. This video might not drop till way December or something. Well, you got it. Right? So right now, most of your stuff about to expire in your book. So they're gonna run up on you. Stuff gonna expire. So now it's time. You should be checking your book. Time to renew some things. You know what I mean? Well, that's it, man. I'll let y'all. I'm still on my way to Jacksonville, y'all. All right. It's a wrap. All right, people, that is it. I just finished eating some Waffle House. You know, I get one thing, Waffle House. I shouldn't be eating Waffle House, really. The egg and hash brown bowl with egg, just straight egg and cheese. We all know I don't supposed to be eating eggs. I don't supposed to be eating cheese. But that is it. No more. What am I talking about? The load is done. Excuse me. The load is on. Delivered the load. It was to a place. What they do, they install ATM. So they go around the country and install ATM. I just delivered the ATM. The ATM was heavy. But dude also said he wanted to jump into the box truck game. So, you know, I gave him some info. Let him know, man, it's very lucrative, you know. But you gotta be ready. You gotta be ready to hustle, man. You come out here. And that's realer. I keep it really the most. But yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, man. You know, it's your boy Lando. I am the man, though. Whoa.